Steffanie. Welcome to Designs by Steffanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I am doing another studio vlog. I haven't done one in a while. I haven't done much on this channel. But today I got a couple orders, so I want to walk through that. And yeah, we'll do that. So if you'd like to see that, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, first I'm going to pull up the order information for the client. So I'm not going to show that. And then I'm going to print out the design on my silhouette. I already have it because it's something that's on my Etsy shop. I'll link that information below in case you're interested. And then we'll go print it on the machine. Press it on the heat press. Once I print it out, it's the veganish shirt. So, and she wants the black one, the black t-shirt with white writing, and then the multicolor. So I have to do that. I'm buying extra vinyl colors. So I went to the local vinyl store that we have here and got some extra stuff. I wanted to get this for a personal project, but this is heat press, but it's camouflage, military camouflage. And then I needed some more black and some purple. I had a big project. I've already used most of this purple because it was as big as this one. But I did a big project for someone, for some t-shirts. And then I bought some individual samples of a whole bunch of different colors. They're pretty, very, very pretty. Snake skin, and I guess it's tiger print, but it's in black and silver, and just a bunch of stuff. And then I also bought some silver, because I was running out of that. So, in this store, I think it's a lot cheaper than the one I was ordering from online, and then the quality of how it peels is so great. But this is my original box. I got this with multiple colors, and I actually added some. I just put them in there as I use them. If they're small rolls, I just roll them up and put them in there. So I think 12 came in this standard. And they're pretty good, but they don't press as well as the other one. But anywho, so we got yellow, baby blue, we need green. I got a green somewhere, I thought. Okay, white, piece of green, yellow, orange. What I'm doing is one of these figments. This is one that I made when I was first testing them, doing the design. And I made myself one, a shirt that I have it on. I wore it in video on my other channel, but not on this one because I haven't been on this channel. But anywho, so I'm going to cut that out. That's all the colors: white, green, orange, baby blue, and yellow. Put this red up, but I don't think that's the right color. Oh, and I need hot pink for the tick mark. Anywho, I need this pink. I think I already have a pink. Let me check. Anyway, I'll do that and then I'll come back. Okay, I got my colors all done. So I'm going to put them on my sheet, and you have to reverse them to the opposite side. So one of the vinyls is really thick and it's not laying down, and this is a new mat, so I don't know what to do about that, so I just started taping them. So I just don't want to lay down. Just bought a roll of masking tape from the Dollar Tree. So it still work. And this is just a little hat. It works for me. I don't know what anybody else is doing to combat this issue and stuff don't stick to your mat. This is what I do. And pray for the best. So that's the back side. I got all of it on there. All the colors that I need. And then they're all reversed. So I'm gonna press them down really good, and then I'm gonna send them through the machine. So I'm loading it, and now let's send it. It's done. Okay, it's all done. So I can't see with my glasses on. I had that little pick that they gave me, but then I got some tweezers that I like, and I like the weed with that much better. And so I'm just going to, and what I do when I have multiple colors, I weed them, then I line them up on my board so that they're lined properly using the measurements, and then I stick them onto another transfer sheet and then put them on this one. Okay, I just take the old transfer sheet and I just put it on top of it so I can transfer it once. Once, you know, I put it down here and line it all up properly. And then I just lift it up and see, it is all on there and it's straight. So all I have to do is just place this on a shirt where I want it, and we're done. And you don't have any issues that way. And then what you do is you fold it, so you want the thing to be in the middle, and just fold it from end to end from each side of the design so that you can find the middle of the design. And then you line that up with the shirt so you can have it in the middle. So let's go to the heat press. So I'm just going to lint roll this shirt, press it for a hot second to get any wrinkles out of it. I'll press some of the wrinkles out, and I press everything pretty much on the same thing. I haven't had any issues with that. All my medium vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, all of it, I press everything on 300. Some things say 350, 325, 30 seconds, 20 seconds, whatever. I just press it all pretty much on the same thing. But initially I get the wrinkles out of the shirt so that when the product goes to the client, it'll have wrinkles in it from where it's been folded in the bag, where it's been packaged. But it'll be okay as far as, you know, not terribly wrinkled. And it's don't take much to get the wrinkles out. So I just line the shirt up, and I've been doing so many of these, so I kind of can tell what's the middle. I don't go by this tag because that thing is on there crooked half the time. I just judge it by the shirt length when I pull it, where it's sewn together. And if it's sewn crooked, then crooked. I say that word wrong all the time, but anyway, y'all know what I'm saying. So I line it up with the middle. See? That's perfect. Also put it that way. You see. And I put this thing over here, on here. And my timer is set for 30 minutes, 30 seconds, not minutes. House be on fire in 30 minutes. And just put it down. Sometimes I hold it. Don't know what. But these aren't hot, but that thing is, ungodly hot and will burn you. And you can tighten the pressure from this little thing, but I like it raised up a little bit so that I can get up under there. And I press it twice, one for 30 seconds, and then the second time without the thing on there for like 15. And some of these things are hot peel, and some of them are cool peel. And I never know which is which, but I know when I start taking it off what is what. That ain't ready. And that's the thing with the different quality of vinyl. You just never know if it's gonna come off. So let's try it again. See, this one is the white is a hot peel. Because sometimes when you leave it on there and it's not hot, it don't come off good. And that one may be a different brand than all the other ones. Then, just to make sure everything is good, I put it back 15 seconds for a final press. I don't know, 15 seconds. I think I was sleeping while I done it. But you know, just turn it off. It doesn't take that long to heat up. But see, that is my shirt. I use these bags for my shirts if it's just one, because one can fit in there. And let me print the printing label. Hope the mailman hasn't run yet. I'm going to fold it. Keep saying I'm going to get one of those t-shirt folders. I was going to try to do shirts for the school for the end of the year, but Rona has changed so that the schools are all closed, so nobody's going to be ordering shirts for the school year. And there we have it. Now I put in one of these bags. I mean, actually two, because I bought the wrong bags and they don't close. So I do my thank you card. So let's say if you're watching my channel and that's how you saw me, thank you. And I always put something, free in my gift bag. It's always something different, you know. I always put something in there to say thank you for my order. Vinyl sticker or name stickers or something. But I do have Yoda stickers that I made that I'll put that one back. Do the white one. These are my sample ones that I made for my shop, for pictures. So I just put it in 2 bags. I like this stuff. I prefer to ship in something that's be protected in case it rains or what have you. You don't want it to get damaged. I'm going to take my stickers and I just squeeze the air out of it. Stick it in the bag. And then I put the side that's at the bottom so that it has more protection, I think. See if we can get some more air out of it, because that's usually the issue, the air. And then just fold it down. And that is it. And then we put another sticker on it so you know it's from me. And that is it. Now all I gotta do is print the shipping label. And what I do is I turn my scale on, check the weight, 7.1 ounces, and then I select the bag, and then I print. And let me hurry up so I can take it outside and put it in the mailbox. And that is it, guys. I'm not going to show the people's address, but print the label and put it on.